How to sign up for Beldex Wallet account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you install Beldex Wallet and then simply launch the app. Now over here you can see two of these options given. Simply tap on Create New Wallet. Okay, now you have to set up a PIN code for yourself. You can even switch to 6-digit PIN if you wish to. Okay, now let's re-enter our PIN. Just tap on OK. Now over here you have to select a language and create a wallet name for yourself. So let's create a name for my wallet. Okay, just tap on Continue. Now this step is very important and make sure that you do not share your seed with anyone and simply tap on Copy Seed and then tap on Continue. Now after doing this step, you will successfully be able to create your Beldex wallet account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.